What's good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. I'm in a good mood like always. What can I say? I got my tea right here. I got my lovely subscribers right here, and we're finna make something fire today. So make sure to grab your laptop while watching the video. That way you learn the most out of it, you feel me? But today we are going to take a look at Dubler 2. This thing must be a cheat code, bruh. You can literally sing your melodies inside of FL Studio. So that is what we're going to test out today. Other than that, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, join the family, join the community, you feel me? Let's just dive right into it. Gang. So when you open up Dubler, I already got mine set up. All you gotta do is either use the Dubler 2 microphone or your own microphone like I'm doing right now. First off, you need to go inside of FL Studio MIDI settings and then input Dubler 2 and make sure this is enabled. What you then do is go back into Dubler. You want to pick the key you want like the melody to be in. So in this case, I'm going for G. We got all the scales right here, super fire. I'm going to go for harmonic minor. It really gives like that dark type of vibe. I want to go for like a more vintage synthy sound for like maybe Don Toliver or something. We also want to make some chords, so click on this, go back to FL Studio and open up FABFILTER Twin like right away. While I'm speaking, the chords are like playing, so okay, that is sounding pretty decent. I'm going to switch out the sound. Yes, sir, that's the sound we're looking for. Really like that old school vintage sound. Let's open up Serum for like maybe a nice lead sound. Man, that is too fire. Wow. I'm literally just like singing the whole melody. This is crazy. What? Too fire, G. I'm gonna add some more sounds. Right now, I want to layer this FABFILTER sound. Open up Analog Labs, search for like a nice, smooth like pad or something that like really accents the main chords. Okay, so right now that is sounding nice. It's time to add like a second counter melody. Right now, I'm just adding some effects to get like a proper view of what we're working with like the melodies and stuff, and to like blend it all together, because right now it's sounding all over the place. So after that, we're diving straight into the drums. So let's get it. Wow. Not gonna lie, this beat is fire. I love the beat, how it turned out. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Make sure to check out the link in the description to download Dubler 2. Super fire. Like, make sure to test it out for yourself. Anyways, I'm active on social media as well at Beats. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.